Well, I'm Andy Allen from Andy's Hot Rod and Restoration in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and we have this 33 Vicky that we brought out. We were in the Transtar booth with the Detroit steel wheels. We had actually was going to build a 56 Ford pickup to bring out here. Unfortunately, just wasn't enough time. SEMA crunch was happening. I got a little scared, so I thought, let's take an old hot rod, belonged to a good friend of mine. We took his hot rod, we stripped it down, we gutted it, started all over with it, and we brought it back up to date with some killer wheels and some sick paint. These colors just go together. These wheels just make it look like a vintage car, but it's got that hot rod look. Couldn't ask for more. We love it. It's getting a lot of attention. So at our shop, we do complete restorations, complete hot rod builds. We take them from ground up. This one we had to do a lot of just rust repair, take a lot of the ugly off of it and get it to where it's presentable to nowadays standards. We also, to piss off a lot of the hot rodders, we put a 6/18" Phi Audio subs in the back. It rocks pretty hard, rattles the building, it's just pretty awesome. I got a sound guy, it's Audio Tech out of Muskogee. He's the one that's responsible for doing that part of it, and it turned out killer. Definitely surprises a lot of people. Once we're done here, we're going to take it back. There's some things that we're going to change, but we're actually going to add to the audio side of it. We're going to start hitting some big shows with it, so we can, see how it does. We're also going to hit some audio shows and do some competition with the stereo and just see how that plays out. Sometime first of the year, we're going to be taking this car that we did this year, and then the last year build, it was a 57 Studebaker, to the Transtar facility. They're building a nice new training facility for their guys, and we're going to take the cars up just to showcase their product, because these got some really killer looks to them. With this one's got their new Glamour Clear on it, and they want to showcase that in their training.